VK5KU, VK5MTM. Evening, Kevin.
Good evening, CEO. How's it going?
Yeah, pretty good, mate. You're sounding fine. Nice and clear, as can be expected, over.
Well, that's what I want to hear. That sounds good. Output power is about 10% at the moment. I'm just going to go to the very low, which would be, I think, 2 watts. Okay, that's now 1% of the output power. Well, that must be actually 500 milliwatts then. Wonder if you can still copy me VK5MTM, VK5KU.
Yeah, I can't tell the difference, Kevin.
Well, that's good then. So there's enough power at least.
Yeah, it sounds fine. I've been recording from the beginning. Give me a longer over and I'll stop recording and put it on YouTube so you can hear the audio.
Thank you for that. Yeah, maybe we can go to 40 meters and see whether it's possible to have a chat there. I think when we were there last time it was a bit too noisy, but we can give it a try and see how it works now with the new area VK5MTM, VK5KU.
Yeah, okay, that sounds fine. Hang on a second. Let's have a look. Yeah, look, there's some pretty clear spots from what I can see. Let's go a little bit higher up so we're not really bothering anyone. Should we try, hang on a minute. I'm going to try 7185, that sounds pretty clear, over.
Yeah, sure, we can give it a go, 7.185.
Okay, just stand by, I'll see you there, I'll just get ready on HF. VK5KU, VK5MTM.
Yeah, go QSY, as I don't have 2 receivers now, so just only 1, so I can't hear then on this repeater when I'm going down.
Yeah, that's okay, I'll see you on 7185.
No worries, thank you.